Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the LG dishwasher CL code in 2026. So here CL stands for child lock. So in order to basically fix it, you need to simply locate the child lock combination on your panel. So it is different from model to model. So what you need to do here, you need to simply press this combination and press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. So here, as you can see, for some of the models it is half load and energy saver, so it is the control lock, but for some model it will be quick and dry and quick. So it, as I said earlier, you need to check the model panel labeling and then you need to press them. Now, if the first combination doesn't work for you, you can also try holding another label button for a few seconds. Different LG models use different key combinations. Now, when you press and hold, simply watch for beep sound or you should see the CL disappearing. If nothing changes at all, it means that the panel may not be detecting the input. So in this case, you just have to turn off the dishwasher, then unplug it for about 3 to 5 minutes, then plug it back in and try unlocking again. So this also clears the control glitches. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.